Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change location on Bumble. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bumble application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the people interface. So what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the gear icon. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various settings options over here. In the section for location over here, you'll be able to find the option for current location. You'll be able to see the current location selected over here. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll have to use the travel mode in order to change the location. Simply tap on this option, use travel mode. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply type in the location that you're traveling to. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Now if you have the Bumble Premium, your location will be changed. If not, you'll not be able to change the location. Simply subscribe to the Bumble Premium plan and you'll be able to change the location in Bumble. So that is how you change location on Bumble. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.